They some coat, ladies coat, Burlington coat factory. Here, they're really good dog here. Nice. $19. This one here is a Guest USA. Wow, pretty nice. Look. This is double. Yan. Double shelf. How much? $60. Here, Michael Kors. $60 Michael Kors. That's nice. Here, Calvin Klein. Whoa. $50 for $49.50. This one here, London Fog. Wow, cute. London Fog. $60 included na ang may scrap siya. Oh. This one here. Cynical. Yeah, Cynical procedure. Wow, so nice. Warm. $44. Pretty nice. Yan, Madin Girl for winter coat. $50. Wow, you want that one? It's really cool. Wow, so pretty soft. $128. A1 here, Canada. Yan. Wow, I like this. $60. Pretty. It's warm. Have Levi's here. Price $50. There's a cheap one here. $10. We have a sweater, Calvin Klein. Look, nice. $34. Nice, there's a lot in here. They're all coats on sale. Yeah, for ladies, Michael Kors. Look at that, Michael Kors. Wow. $80. There's different color. I have black. Ay. Yeah, a white Calvin Klein. Cute. $29. There's So many. Wow, guys. So many. Oh my god. Jessica Simpson. Gold. Wow. $60, Jessica. Oh, so nice. Wow. So really cute, this one. The yellow. The pang snow. Really? Gosh. Street power. How bitter here. Really? This one here. US Polo. $39. US Polo. And okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. I'm been shopping here. And I see okay. Wow, long. Nice. Shop here at Burlington.
Brenda 128.
Really nice. And regular course. Not black. $69.